What's going on again, YouTube? It's a nice Sunday morning. So like I stated before in a previous video, which I'll link somewhere, I don't know if it comes up here or there, but I'll be starting the build series with the Ranger here. So today I'm hoping to basically probably put the roof rack on and which I got from Amazon, some Amazon brand. But then I'm also very curious because I'll be trying out the Billie Bars, which is another brand that I saw, which works basically with the tonneau cover I got, because since it was a lease, it came with it, and these tonneau covers are pretty expensive, so I don't want to remove it. So the Billie Bars, which you can kind of see there, is supposed to be able to be compatible with it. So I'm hoping it works out and works well. So let's get it started. All right, so I got everything laid out. Not gonna lie, the instructions kind of leave a little bit to be desired, but should be all right. Now, the reason why I got this specific Amazon brand for the Ranger is because most options require you to drill into the roof, and I'm not really feeling to do that. So it's supposed to be like anchor points that'll work on the top here. So that's really where my intention's at. So whether or not it works out, we'll hope for the best. All right, this took a little bit longer than I wanted to, but everything's pretty much locked in now, not going anywhere. I will say it's pretty beefy. Held on really well. Looks good. Either I'll throw a decal or maybe I'll get lights. I wasn't planning on it, but it does look pretty empty. Sticker bombing? Do people still sticker bomb anymore? I don't even know. But looks good though. Yeah, looks good. All right, let's see if we can do the bed rack now. If I were to take a guess, I would assume that this goes like this. Science. Yeah, this isn't, you know, I was kind of worried about that. Well, I really shouldn't say worried, but look at the height difference from this to when this flips open, which means when this is closed and I have the bars going across holding the tent, I'm never opening this again. Let me just see, just out of curiosity, the height. If this falls, then it's on my ass, because I know it's not bolted in. I was just curious. I'm curious how it will sit. Fuck. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. I really didn't want to take off the tonneau cover, because then I wouldn't need this anymore. I would have gotten the taller one. All right, I gotta figure something out. So unfortunately, it wouldn't fit unless I took off the tonneau cover. Kind of like I'm a little cheesed about, but you know what? I didn't like the tonneau cover, to be honest, because it was kind of in the way for a lot of things, and I was worried about with the height anyway, I wouldn't be able to access what's in here. So I'll look for like maybe a solution, maybe like a cap cover or something like that to work out. I mean, if anybody needs a tonneau cover, I have one for sale. So, but we're gonna just go back to try to setting up the Billie Bars. I'm a little cheesy about that, but you know what it is? It is what it is. I don't have much stuff in the bed like that anyway, and I'll figure something out. What up, player?
This for the tubes?
This for the tubes?
This for the tubes.
Yeah, man.
Nice, man.
Yeah, same shit.
Don't forget me when you're a Hollywood.
Yeah, I'm a Hollywoodie. I fucking wish. All right, so we had to skip ahead. Gabe's here for emotional support. But we got the bars on. They're beefy. Not going anywhere. So we're just waiting for the tent to come. Roof rack's on. So I think we're all good. So we're gonna end it from here. I think we're good to go. Thanks again, guys, for watching. We'll see you next time.